What's up, guys, man? I'm back with another video, man. How you guys doing? Um, by the way, guys, I've been focused on the business on the right way, right? My website, Google My Business. I've been fixing my credit, guys, because we all know to grow your business, you need capital, you need credit. So, guys, everything you go through in life is a lesson. It's a lesson to learn, right? If you don't learn from your lessons, guys, you're just never gonna grow. So you have to come to realize that there's a lot of things that go behind, having a business or whatnot, right? So we are going to start off on the right foot this time around, guys. Business has been busy, but I'm gonna do some changes to look more professional and more efficient, right? So right now I'm gonna go to the post office. I gotta go send out some certified mail to all my credit bureaus because I'm doing a credit sweep because I plan on doing some new things to the company. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, like the video, comment down below, man. But today we're gonna go check out some vans and we're gonna go check out some closed trailer. As you guys know, I got my open trailer, guys. That wasn't a very good idea, guys, because when it rains here in Florida, everything gets wet, man. I've been having hella issues with everything getting wet, so I have to change up again. But this time around, guys, we're gonna either get a trailer, an enclosed trailer, or a van setup. And this time around, man, we're gonna wrap the whole thing, and we're gonna be out here stunning. If I got a trailer, guys, I'm gonna go back to getting a pickup truck to push it. If I end up going with a van, it's gonna be a new van, and I'm gonna wrap the whole van. I'm gonna be out here killing it, man. Let's get it. Super look. What's up, guys? So I made it back, man. I just went to the post office, man. Look, man. $60 worth of mail, right? You gotta send certified mail when it comes down to your credit dispute because if they don't know that you're serious about your craftsmanship, they're not gonna take you serious. So, guys, we on the way right now, man. We're gonna go check out some of these vans, man. Um, so how I'm gonna do my business now, guys. I'm gonna do everything under my business LLC, right? Depending on what route I'm gonna go with, guys. But I learned from the big boys. Hey, man, you don't own, lease. You know what I'm saying? Lease what you work with onto the next, right? You don't want to be accountable for something that's gonna mess up at the long run, and then where it could be your liability, and then that's where you go wrong. So we're planning to lease our next purchase. If it's a van, if it's a trailer, then I'm just gonna go ahead and lease the truck, the pickup truck, and then yeah, get my trailer going. So that way, I'll always have a truck, you know, in my hands, fresh, new, and switching around, So let's go check out some trucks, man, some vans, some trailers, and I hope you guys enjoy the content, man. Let's get it. What's up, guys? So we made it here to the nearest trailer store. I came already here once, guys. I seen a couple of trailers that I liked it. They got one there that I like. It's still there. I thought it was somebody else's. But a lot of these trailers, guys, the only downside is that a lot of them are ramps. They don't have the doors. So that's the only con about a lot of these trailers out here, man. They don't have the doors. Oh, this one has it. This one, I think this one is new because this wasn't here before. It has, oh, but is it? Yeah, is it the door? No, no, this is the ramp. See, guys? This is the ramp. See? A lot of them are ramps. This is what I want, man. Something like this, but with the doors to open, so I could put all my bottles and all my, bottle holders and stuff like that. But this is beautiful right here, guys. Something like this, so nice. Wow. But like I said, the only downside is just the goddamn. It's this crap. I need the doors, man. I need doors. Let's see what else they got around here. See if they have. I'm gonna check those out over here. Um, let's see what they got over here, guys. They don't really have much. These are huge. These are too big. These are huge. What? See, I got one of these open trailers, guys. These are 4x6, but if you're detailing, guys, it's not worth it, man. Unless you're doing pressure washing or you're doing fleet washes and things like that. But for detail, see, one of these is the ones that I was looking at. And it has the doors that open. One of them right here opens the door. This will be perfect, guys. Like, this is a perfect unit to have, right? Doors open up, got the bottle holders on the side, everything. You know what I'm saying? You got space. You know, you got the door over here to get in it, right? And you could build shelves for all your chemicals, the big gallons, you know. So that's what I was saying, man. Like, you know, I'm gonna keep the trailer in mind. It's a beautiful setup, professional, clean. You know, that's why I'm gonna hold on those. You know, that's my main goal, to get one of these. The van is gonna be the last thing if I have to get it, because I got no choice. But this one right here. Yeah, that's a ramp. Another ramp. So all of these are ramps. They got this one right here. It's like a gray and black. Oh, but this is bigger. Too big. Oh, there's a ramp. This doesn't have this one's not a ramp. But it's like the one that I just saw over there, right? Yeah. These are beautiful, man. These are beautiful. Let's see, guys, man. I need you to like the video, man. Like the video, show some love, and let's keep motivating each other, man. I want to bring more content for you guys and show you that everything is possible, man. You know, this one's not bad. You can tell this one is probably used. Got a couple of imperfections here and there. It still looks clean though. Nothing wrong with it, really. Pretty nice. You know. Okay. I wanted something smaller like this, but like I said, they all got ramps, man. All of them got ramps. You could barely find something that has the doors to slide out. Like, everything is built with ramps. They got this right here, guys. And look, they got this one right here. This one is perfect, but the only wrong thing that I don't like is that, yes, this has the door, open it, but it doesn't have a side door, so I gotta be getting in here and out to get things done, and it's gonna be a hassle, man. I wonder if this for sale or not, but it's nice, pretty nice. Look at that beauty, right? Small. That's my truck that I use for all my work, right there. But like I said, I'm gonna upgrade very soon. To give you guys a little story about, if you guys go back, I'm not sure if I have the video there, but I had a Dodge Ram 2500 tradesman. I did like a bad build, badass setup, but you know, I ended up losing that truck, personal reasons, nothing crazy. So I had to go pick up, you know, like I said, the open trailer and the little hoopty to keep the business going. But now that everything is going, I'm gonna now be like, you know what? It's time to upgrade to my real setup and the setup that I wanna have efficiently and keep it for a long time. So that's what happened, guys. Now let's go look at some vans, man. Let's go look at some vans, but these are badass, man. I just made a hit, guys. Man, they got this badass Ram 3500, guys. I wanted something like this, guy, but these are expensive, man. Like, I ain't trying to go that route, man. Even though it's a good van, but this is what I'm trying to get, man. Something like this, to be honest, with a trailer. Something like this, you know. They also got these vans. They've been here for a while, man. I seen the price on them. They're like 34,000, 35,000, around that range. Yeah, 34,000. Pretty badass was close, but you know, it's like, damn, 34,000. Even though, yeah, you could put it on your LLC, you know, and get to work, man. But I don't know, guys. You know, I don't know. They also got this other one right here. Let me see if this one has the back window. Yeah, that one got the back window. That one too. But I don't know, man. Pretty nice, but I don't know. I think I like more the trailer setup. What you guys think? Do you guys like more the trailer setup, or would you go with a cargo van? You know, I think I'm 100% sure going towards a pickup truck and buying a trailer. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the pickup truck finance. I'll probably do a cash, like a F-250. These are nice too. F-250. These are newer. There we are. Yeah. Look at that Chevy. Man, this is beautiful. That's beautiful, right? Is it open? Oh, it's open. Okay, check this out, man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful truck, man. This thing is beautiful, I'll tell you. They got this. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah. Beautiful. F-250 already has the lift kit on it, has the wheels. Yeah, that looks badass. Man, I'm in love with the Fords. Ain't nothing. Oh, but look at the wheels though, man. Oh, that looks bad. Badass. Well, guys, we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what we got. These are the ones that I've been looking at, guys, as well, right? My GoPro died, guys, but these right here are pretty nice. You know, how much they go for? See, 50,000, guys. 50,000. Yeah, it's for the business. If you have it under your LLC, it's no problem. But guys, man, let's be honest, man. You have to know your overhead, how much you're spending, how much your business makes as well, because you can't just be on the wild. Hey, I gotta prove. Let me get whatever I want. You know, it gotta make sense. $52,000. Listen, will you rather pay that, or just go buy one cash for 4 or 5 bands? Right? So many options, man. So many options. If I was doing pressure washing and flea washing, this is what I would got. Yeah. But I ain't doing that. You know that I was gonna get one of these guys for the business, just because I like all the. Oh, leave it open. Oh, that would have. Yeah, it opens. See, something like this. put the chemicals or bottles, whatever I'm not using like that. Put it back, right? Pretty badass. All my gadgets for the pressure washer, and it goes bad. Look at that. It's not bad, right, guys? But I'm like, man, look at this, 62,000, guys. Give you have a price you need because I know it's for business, so it's like we're gonna end up, and get done. Give me the money, Oh, it's open. Brand new truck. I already got the 4-door. This shows 2-door. If I was going that route, I'll do a 4. Oh, and it's diesel. Better. Look at this. Look at this, my friend. Nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. I don't know why they put that there, guys, but yeah. Put the water tank, and you can put all the hose reels here, all the pressure washer, the air compressor, everything, the vacuum hose reel, all set up right here, right? And then boom, you got the water tank, generator, big old air compressor, and then right here, I don't know. The good thing is you can put the towels in there, so you ain't gotta worry about putting towels outside. Oh, it's locked. Let's see how much this one goes for, man. I bet this was gonna cost a bag probably like 80,000. Oh, I'm not a little 80,000, bro. What? Let me go get my Rolls Royce. Shit. Hey guys, man, this is enough for the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like it, man. Subscribe. Show some love, man, to all my videos, man. Let's get it.